Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate TD Bank credit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your TD Bank on your browser. So the thing is that if you would like to activate it, the very first thing when you receive your credit card, you will find a information, a sticker, or can be attached or can be given you in the mail, right? Once you have that, you can simply contact the TD Bank itself and let them know, hey, would like to activate my card, it's not being activated, it's not working, please check on it by giving the information of your card, of your account details. Other thing, if you do not have that information, happens to lost it, then the simple thing would be access your browser of your right and then go to their official website, and now you're gonna scroll down all the way to the bottom, just right over here. So you can see we have option of contact us. We can tap on this contact us just right over here, and now you can see we have this option of go to our help center or contact TD Bank customer service. For that, we're simply gonna go to this option of go to our help center, and we're simply gonna contact them, and then we're simply gonna go ahead enter our question over here and tap on this ask now, and regarding that we're gonna simply be able to contact them, send them a report regarding that. Otherwise, the thing that you can do is you can simply scroll down to the bottom again, and you will find this way where you can directly get in touch with them. Go ahead, choose any of the ways. Simply better to choose a social media platform, so you can simply contact them and simply directly DM them regarding your concern. Enter your accounts, enter your name, and then you're gonna simply let them know, I would like to activate my account, and you will be done. So that is the simplest way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.